Hi, my name is Mike Ormsby, and I'm a Territory Manager with Southwestern Controls in Houston, Texas. I've been a Territory Manager at Southwestern Controls for 22 years, and I would like to introduce to you the Gast MVP family of air motors and give you some understanding on how we at Southwestern Controls aid our customers in developing solutions for their problems, or as we call them, opportunities.
Gast air and geared motors power many machine tools. Air motors are cool running, non-sparking, and are easily controlled by throttling the air pressure to the air motor. The MVP is offered in both lubricated and non-lubricated for applications. The MVP is offered in 3/16 stainless steel and aluminum construction. Horsepower output ranges from 1 to 4 horsepower, and torque output ranges to 710 foot-pounds. The Gast MVP has a modular design that allows minimal time devoted to changing out the power module. With the ability to simply replace a cartridge in the field, Gast is able to show a significant savings in both labor and time down. Minimal tools are needed to change out the power module. Replacing the Gast power module takes 15 to 20 minutes versus other air motors that'll take 2 to 3 hours to rebuild.
I thank you for your time today. My contact information is on the screen. Opportunities increase when you partner with a customer. A little win for a partner is a little win for both of us.